let's briefly talk about lipid digestion, absorption, and transport. Lipid digestion in the mouth is insignificant. The mouth contains an enzyme called salivary lipase, which helps to form fat droplets. In the stomach, gastric lipase enzymes provide very minor digestion of fat. From the stomach, large fat droplets enter the small intestine. Bile from the gallbladder emulsifies the fat, which allows lipase from the pancreas to break down triglycerides into fatty acids, glycerol, and monoglycerides. Fatty acids and monoglycerides are absorbed into the small intestinal cells. Short and medium-chain fatty acids enter the bloodstream through the portal vein, going to the liver and then into the cardiovascular system. Long-chain fatty acids and monoglycerides are reformed as triglycerides. Triglycerides combine with cholesterol, protein, and phospholipids to make chylomicrons. The chylomicrons enter the lymphatic system and then go into the bloodstream. With the absorption from the small intestines either into the portal circulation or the lymphatic circulation, less than 5% of ingested fat moves through the large intestine to be excreted in the feces. The lipids then need to be transported in the circulatory system through the body by lipoproteins. Think of lipoproteins as a protein shell that is used to transport the lipids like triglycerides, cholesterol, and phospholipids around the body. Different lipoproteins move lipids in different fashions, and lipoproteins are named for their lipid composition. Chylomicrons are made in the small intestine, and they carry dietary fats from the small intestine to the cells. VLDLs, or very low density lipoproteins, are made in the liver. They carry lipids, mostly triglycerides, made in the liver to cells, and they become an LDL as they drop off lipids to the cells. Thus, LDLs, or low density lipoproteins, are created from VLDLs. They carry mostly cholesterol made by the liver to the cells. HDL, or high-density lipoproteins, are created in the liver. They remove cholesterol that exists outside the liver and takes it back to the liver for disposal. Now, we often refer to the lipoproteins LDL and HDL as LDL cholesterol or HDL cholesterol. Lipoproteins are carriers of lipids in the body, and they're not the same thing as dietary cholesterol, which is the cholesterol found in food, but we can measure the amounts of LDL and HDL cholesterol in the body.